Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. Today's video is all about water supply tank and the connection of PPR pipe, fittings, and the devices. See you guys!
This is 1,000 gallons tank. Total of 4 tanks to supply the 42 rooms in this building. This is the gate valve for the outsource of water, connected to the booster pump. And this is also the rubber expansion joints. This is flexible connector to prevent the thermal movement and mechanical vibration. This 2-booster pump motor, one of this is for standby. The use of this pump is to bring the high pressure of water to supply this building.
Out in the drill inside. This one is the supply, water supply, you know? Going coming here, go to the main source of water, and supply downside. Okay. Okay. This is further also connection. Join this 1,000 gallon I mean, tank. Okay.
This hole is for the float valve, connected to the main source of water. And this is the floating switch valve. This valve is placed inside the tank. And this is the PPR pipe. PPR means is polypropylene random copolymer pipe.
चलो ये हो गया
This is how to weld the PPR pipe. Using this welding machine.
सीधा सीधा हाँ वो ठीक है good good good
And this is plastic pipe welding machine from Vespo company.
अभी हीट कितना में और वीडियो करो अभी 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 हीट कितना में करो 320
320 degrees Celsius.
डिग्री सेल्सियस
320 डिग्री सेल्सियस
बहुत है
90 mm
ओके
must be need text
zen
This pipe is 90 millimeters diameter. And now, welding this pipe with plunge. Make sure that the pipe is welded straight.
today video upload
today upload lesson not today tomorrow
And welding it also to the T. With the pipe welding machine and temperature of 320 degrees Celsius. Slowly insert the T into the pipe and slowly push with your power capacity.
Tatarik bro. Oh, ate ase.
Okay.
Now, connect the pipe into the plunge. For the outsource line, from tank connected to the butterfly gate valve. Butterfly valve is to shut off the flow of water. This is the outsource area of the tank. The same procedure.
Tank kita dulu lagi apa? Australia.
Mia. Udah company boot baisa.
Tight करो करे. Push. अंदर ना सर.
Plants
Reducer.
yeah 2.5 inch into कितना
75 mm.
75 mm ऊपर है ना कितना है ना ऊपर
ऊपर 50 after 40.
हाँ
Two reduce 150 50 by 75.
75 है ना नीचे
75 नीचे.
ओके बाद में
50.
50
बाद में 40. 40 by 32.
40 by 30 तो बाद में ऊपर का कितना
ऊपर यूनियन 40.
40
40.
अच्छा ओके
इधर है इधर
3.5
सीधा है. After reduce like this. Okay.
अच्छा नहीं नहीं पिलाता Pepsi हाँ
Okay, video. Okay.
plants हाँ
Plants.
And now, start installation of the butterfly valve. Now the installation of Y-type waste stainer. This is the filter, located under the stainer.
अच्छा खुल्ले ते लाग्छ लाइट जान
ऊपर का खरगान मालूम दिस वन फैन
This one butterfly bulb. If you can see this, you can press this one to turn. If you cannot press, cannot turn this one. See, this is lock. When you remove, this is lock. When you press this one, it will turn. Okay. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.